Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost your FPS in Warframe, how you can fix FPS drops, lagging, stuttering and freezing, and the best part of it, with this guide you don't need to download any of the FPS packs. I will show you everything in your PC settings and in your game settings as well. So let's get started. First of all, open up Launcher, press on the tree on this gear icon here. Then make sure DirectX is selected DirectX 12. Then on GPU preference, make sure it's high performance, and also these settings is selected here as well. And let's go into the game. So if we go on display settings, make sure that display mode is full screen. Now I'm recording video, so for me it's better to borderless, but for you it should be full screen. Video resolution, your native one, and then refresh rate is the one that your monitor has. Aspect ratio auto, vertical sync is off, max frame rate, make sure limit to your frame rate on your monitor. Play the game, and if you're constantly, let's say, getting 200 on your gameplay, then limit with 200, right? Then brightness, contrast, field of view, show PS personal preference, but I would like to enable it to see my stats. Then method here, FSR 2.2, quality balanced, sharpening 50%. Then here, geometry quality medium, shadow quality low, texture memory medium, particle and GPU quality low. Then scroll down a bit, anisotropic off, trilinear filtering default. Then here, dynamic lighting and volumetric lighting on, local reflections off. Then SSAO quality disabled, volumetric fog quality low, high shader quality enabled, motion blur, from motion blur to bloom, everything is disabled here. Then weapon elemental effects and color correction is on, and from shadows to enhanced details, everything is disabled. And then here, reduce frame latency is enabled here. And now we can go to Windows settings. The first thing, what I always suggest you to do here is to go to settings and you need to make sure that your Windows operating system is up to date. If it's not, then install updates and restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending on what you use. I use Nvidia GPU, so I just need to go to Nvidia app, go to drivers, and then here, if there is a driver available for me, I can install and restart my computer and enjoy the game. So this is the first step. Second step, always before you play the game, open up Task Manager and end all the CPU and GPU heavy tasks before you play the game. So let's say I don't need the app while I play the game. I can easily end task and do with all the tasks that you don't use. Another thing, startup apps. Always disable almost every app that you have. Here, when you need to open up manually, because when your computer boots up and maybe you forget to disable that particular app, and it will require a lot of your computer resources. So just disable them all and enjoy life and your gameplay, right? And then another thing, small step that I suggest to do here before you play the game is to go to Discord. If you play with Discord, press on the gear icon here. Then go to a advanced section here and make sure hardware acceleration is turned off. And now we can go with other steps. So the another thing what you need to do here, if you have Nvidia GPU, just right click on your monitor, show more options, Nvidia control panel. And here we need to tweak a few things. First one is change resolution. Make sure maximum amount of hertz is selected with your native resolution as well, and right monitor is selected as well. Then go to configure surround and PyZex, and then here make sure that processor under the processor your Nvidia GPU is your GPU is selected, not CPU. Then go to manage 3D settings, scroll down a bit until you see a monitor technology, max frame rate. Make sure these low latency max frame rate is off. G-Sync is monitor technology is G-Sync or fixed refresh. Then open GDI compatibility, make sure prefer performance, open GL rendering GPU, your dedicated GPU. Then management mode, make sure prefer maximum performance, preferred refresh rate, highest available, textural filtering and isotropic sample options on. textual filtering quality, high performance, textual filtering trilinear optimization on, with threaded optimization as well. VSync is off, and virtual reality pre-rendered frames is on too. And then you can close this window. Of course, first apply changes, then go to settings, then go to gaming, make sure game bar is disabled, and then go back on game mode, make sure game mode is enabled here. Then the next step, what you need to do here is to open up Steam, right click on Warframe, go to properties, under the general and launch option, make sure to write -i, then go to installed files, browse, and here on this new window, you need to on search Warframe, you just need to write .exe, right? And then hit enter, and you'll find 4 exe files. So Warframe .x64, you need to right click on it, show more options, properties. Then compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, then press change high DPI settings, override high DPI scaling behavior, application, apply, OK. Then do the same with launcher here. Properties, compatibility, disable optimizations, change high DPI, override application, and then do with this one as well, right? Compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, and then apply changes. Then what you need to do here is to, when you see search results in Warframe, you just need to just click on it, and you just need to copy the path. So copy the path. And then what you need to do here is to, you can minimize this, go to graphic settings. On graphic settings, expand advanced graphic settings, make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled. Then select add a desktop app. Then paste the path that we just copied here, and then you need to add Warframe x64exe here. It should appear on the list. You need to just look for it. It should be somewhere here. Expand option, make sure GPU preference is high performance, and optimizations for Windows games is on, and do with other two as well. So again, paste the path. Then launcher exe, and then we need to just look for it in this list, launcher, and then go back and then add a other file as well. This one, add it, and then you just need to look for it again, and do the same as well here. GPU preference, high performance, and optimizations for Windows games is enabled. Then you can close this, go and search again, write edit power plan. On edit power plan, select power options, then select ultimate performance. If ultimate performance not available for you, select high performance here. And then you can close this, then go and search, write view advanced system settings. And on view advanced system settings, go to advanced, under performance, select settings, select custom, and make sure these 3 options is only selected. So smooth edges, show thumbnails, and save taskbar. Apply the changes, then go to settings, advanced, virtual memory, deselect this option here, select where your game is installed. For me is this key. Then select custom size, and then on initial size, you need to put, open up your calculator, and put your RAM value times 1024 times 1.5. And the number that you get here, you need to put to custom size. Then you need to put your RAM value times 1024 times 3. And then the number that you get here, you need to put the maximum size here, and apply the changes. If you don't know how much RAM do you have on your computer, you can always go and search, go to system information, and on system information here, you should see a total physical memory, installed physical memory here, and the number, this number will be your value, right? Another thing that you need to do here is to go to system configuration, and then here you need to go to services, then hide all Microsoft services, and then end all the tasks that you don't use while you play the game. Just simply untick them, and then you hit apply and OK, right? And the next thing what we need to do here is to open up a just write run, or press Windows and A key to open up this thing here, and then you just need to write %temp%. And on this window here, select all the files here. And then what you need to do here is to delete them all. Don't worry, just the temporary files. Some files cannot be deleted, so don't worry about it as well. Just cancel it, but majority of files will be deleted. And also go to on search, storage settings, and on storage settings, make sure to go to temporary files, and on temporary files, delete files here as well, except downloads, right? And remove files. And the last thing what you can do here is to run the game, open up Task Manager, and then go to Processes. In my case, I will show you on Steam, but for you should be Warframe exe. You should find it here. Just write Warframe on search, then look for Warframe basically file. Right click on it, go to Details. You should find Warframe exe. Right click again, set priority, and then set to high. And that's basically it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.